The next topic we'll be covering are datasets in Power BI. So a dataset is a collection of data that you import or connect to. Power BI enables you to connect to, import, and combine many datasets in one location. Datasets can source data from data flows. Datasets are associated with workspaces, and a single dataset can be part of many workspaces. When you open a workspace, the associated datasets are listed under the Datasets tab. Each listed dataset represents a collection of data. For example, a dataset can contain data from an Excel workbook on OneDrive, an on-premises SSAS tabular dataset, and/or a Salesforce dataset. There are many different data sources supported. Datasets added by one workspace member are available to the other workspace members with an admin, member, or contributor role. So, what are shared datasets? A shared dataset is a dataset shared between multiple reports. It's important to establish standardized datasets that serve as the one source of truth. Discovering and reusing those standardized datasets is also key. Report creators can use optimized datasets created and shared by expert data modelers in your organization as a starting point when building reliable reports. Your organization can have consistent data for making decisions and a healthy data culture. To consume these shared datasets, just choose Power BI datasets when creating your Power BI report. Moving on to dataset types. So, Power BI datasets represent a source of data ready for reporting and visualization. There are 5 different dataset types, and they can be created in the following ways. First, by connecting to an existing data model that isn't hosted in a Power BI capacity. Second, by uploading a Power BI desktop file that contains a model. Then, by uploading an Excel workbook containing one or more Excel tables in a workbook data model, or uploading a CSV, also known as a comma-separated values file. You can also use the Power BI service to create a push dataset. And finally, we use the Power BI service to create a streaming or hybrid streaming dataset. An exception for this would be for streaming datasets. The dataset represents a data model which leverages the mature modeling technologies of analysis services. So that's the different kinds of datasets for Power BI.